नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण या आधी 11वी सायन्स फिजिक्स या विषयाबद्दल इंट्रोडक्शन दिलेलं होतं. 11वी सायन्समध्ये आपल्याला एकूण 16 टॉपिकचा अभ्यास करायचा होता. त्यापैकी पहिला जो टॉपिक आहे किंवा सेकंड सेक्शनमधला जो टॉपिक आहे, इलेक्ट्रिक करंट थ्रू द कंडक्टर, या टॉपिकच्या व्हिडिओज आपण यूट्यूबवर याआधी अपलोड केलेले आहेत. त्याचबरोबर जनरल इन्स्ट्रक्शन हे पण तुम्हाला मी पाठवलेलं आहे. आज आपण 11वी सायन्समधला चॅप्टर नंबर 12 मॅग्नेटिझम हा टॉपिक बघणार आहोत. हा टॉपिक शिकत असताना आपल्याला हे लक्षात आलं पाहिजे की मॅग्नेटिझम म्हणजे काय. पहिल्यांदा आपण म्हणतो मॅग्नेटिझम म्हणजे काय, याचा मराठीतून अर्थ आहे चुंबकत्व. चुंबकत्व म्हणजे काय हो, की प्रॉपर्टी किंवा फेनॉमेनॉन इन विच an object can attract the small pieces of iron is known as magnetism. Is known as magnetism. And what is meant by magnet? An object which attract small pieces of iron is known as magnet. The natural magnet. What is meant by natural magnet? The natural property to attract the small pieces of iron by an object is known as a natural magnet. म्हणजे नेचरमध्ये एखादा ऑब्जेक्ट किंवा असा एखादा दगड किंवा अशी एखादी वस्तू ज्याच्यामध्ये ऑलरेडी आयर्न पीसेसला अट्रॅक्ट करण्याची प्रॉपर्टी आहे, त्याला आपण नॅचरल मॅग्नेट म्हणतो. This natural magnet is observed in magnesia, which is known as a leading stone. Artificial magnet म्हणजे काय? Artificial magnet. What is meant by artificial magnet? The magnet made artificially, which having the properties to attract the small pieces of iron is known as artificial magnet. They are of different types. That is a bar magnet, dumbbell shaped magnet, circular magnet, U-shaped magnet. Different types of artificial magnets are made artificially in the laboratory. After that we have to see in detail about a bar magnet. Bar magnet. Now we have to see, this is a bar magnet. Bar magnet. See here, this bar magnet is freely suspended by means of light thread. It always stay in a north-south direction. The pole which is towards north is called a north pole, and the pole which is towards south is called a south pole. The poles are not exactly at the ends of the magnet, but they are little distance away from end of the magnet where the magnetic properties are concentrated. Now we have to see the distance between the poles, as well as we have to see the dipole. First is magnetic dipole. Two means here one is S pole and another one is N pole. Two equal and opposite poles separated by a finite distance. Finite means we measurable distance. From center this one pole is at L distance and another pole is at L distance. The two equal and opposite poles separated by a finite distance is called a magnetic dipole. Second one is magnetic length. Distance between the two poles is called a magnetic length. Geometric length. Now see here, the poles are not exactly end, that is the total length of the magnet is known as a geometric length. Geometric length. Here geometric length is always greater than magnetic length, and the relation between them is magnetic length is equal to 5/6 into geometric length. Now again we have to see, this is the straight line passing through the dipole is known as axis of dipole. The straight line passing axis of dipole. The straight line passing through the dipole is known as axis of dipole, and the straight line which is perpendicular to the dipole at the center, the straight line perpendicular to the dipole at the center is known as equator of dipole. Equator of dipole. Here we have to see also pole strength. Strength of the magnetic field at the poles is known as pole strength. The pole strength of N pole is plus M, and pole strength of S pole is minus M. And the last definition, which is very important, that is magnetic dipole moment. Magnetic dipole moment. Magnetic dipole moment. Magnetic dipole moment is a vector quantity, that is magnetic dipole moment is a vector quantity. It is denoted by capital M and defined as the product of pole strength and distance between the two poles. Its SI unit is ampere meter square, and dimensions are ampere meter square, and dimensions are M0, L2, T0, I1, and direction is from S pole to N pole. Direction is from S pole to N pole. Pole strength having the SI unit, that is ampere meter, and the dimensions are M0, L1, T0, I1. In this way, we have to see the introductory part of the magnetism. After that, we have to see another concept in the magnetism. Like a Hellcat.